So today we're gonna go and get ready for this photo shoot. She told me to find something kind of like cute and dainty, and in my head I'm like, what the hell is dainty? Like, I have no clue what that means. But anyway, so we're gonna see what the hell Ross got for us, because yeah, your girl didn't have nothing dainty in her closet. So yeah, let's see what we can find. And now, for the girls who know, for who or whoever, guy, girl, she, him, they, whatever. For the people who know, Ross be having some stuff, okay? But it's always like a hit or miss. So I think today was kind of a miss, but we're gonna keep looking. So I was kind of looking for something like wine tasting-ish, if that's a word or a phrase. I just made it up. But yeah, wine tasting-ish. And some of these little dresses were cute, but they just weren't giving. So I'm going to keep looking. Okay, yeah, this one is super cute. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely dainty, and it's absolutely wine tasting-ish. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one. And of course, once you get to the checkout, they have all these knickknacks, paddywhacks to give a dog a bone, accessories. So I had to look, and I kind of wanted to do like a scrunchy kind of theme look in my hair. So I found some really cute. Those are super cute, by the way, but I didn't get those. I ended up finding some really cute scrunchies, and I absolutely am obsessed with scrunchies now. And yeah, so if you see me with a scrunchie in my hair from now on, that's why. Like, look at them. Aren't they so cute? So this is the final look, of course, natural makeup look. And then I ended up changing my hair to a half up, half down with the scrunchies. So cute. So we ended up doing the photo shoot near the pool area, and I was telling her, like, listen, I'm cute and I'm pretty and all of that stuff, but I'm not really photogenic. Like, I know how to take my own pictures, but when it's time for somebody else to take my pictures, I get like really shy and awkward, and I'm like, okay, where do I put this arm? What do I do with this hand? What should I smile? Like, I need all of the guidance when I'm doing a photo shoot. But she was so helpful and such a sweetheart, and definitely we killed this shoot, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the final photos. So you know your girl had to give my subscribers an exclusive behind the scenes look into the photo shoot. And let me tell you something, these photos are gonna be, let me tell you something these photos are gonna be so like amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final photos once they're edited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and always remember, be mindful, love yourself, and get out of your own way. Mwah.